lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to stimulate your hair follicles and also to strengthen your hair strands and eliminate dandruff for a mega growth. Yes, for a mega hair growth. And in this video we are going to use onion, garlic and ginger to make oil for hot oil treatment, pre-poo, and also as a leave-in if you want to. And before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click the red writings there that is written in subscribe, press the notification bell, and also share, give me a thumbs up. And now without further ado, let's get into the video. So you know the benefits of onion, garlic and ginger. Onion helps improve hair growth by boosting the level of antioxidant enzyme catalase. This enzyme helps decompose hydrogen peroxide, optimizing the hair growth. And also, you know, ginger helps stimulate hair follicles, which in turn promotes hair growth. And among the many vitamins and minerals and fatty acid in ginger also contribute to strengthen our hair strength and combat hair loss, and also good for dandruff. Yes, garlic helps cleanse hair follicles, strengthen hair loss, and helps also to eliminate dandruff. All right, so now we are going to need coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil because coconut oil helps in promoting hair growth, and we can use this to do a hot press. I'm not using olive oil because olive oil intended for hot press may kill most of the nutrients in the olive oil, so we are using coconut oil. So I'm going ahead to cut. I'm going to need a frying pan, so I'm going ahead to cut this into pieces. So simple and so straight. Yes, no waste of time. You know, it's freshly washed, and you can also grate it. You can grate your ingredients, which will help fasten the process. You watch till the end to see. So go ahead. So simple and so easy. Ingredients found in our kitchen helps. That's why we eat them. They all helps in our body, our hair, and many other with their benefits. Yeah, if you don't get the white onion, you can use the red onion. So simple and so to do. I'm going ahead with my coconut oil. So as you can see I have placed the mixture, the consistency of the onion and garlic, ginger on fire. As you can see, I'm going to fry it. So easy and so simple to do. Try this at home. So I'll be turning it off and down to prevent the other side from burning, or let's say becoming brown. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's how ginger, garlic, onion oil is now looking at like. So at this moment you have to leave it to cool, settle down. When you look at it very carefully, I didn't allow all of it to burn. Yes. So with this, you allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. It will still be warm if you are using it for hot oil treatment and also for your pre-poo. Okay. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. I've allowed it to settle, cool down. We are going to need a strainer and a bowl. Yes. Make sure you get rid of any form of water. Dry it, or let's say an airtight container. So you clean it very well, dry it up, then you transfer your oil into it. Those ingredients has properties that even if it's on high temperature, it can be still transferred into the oil without not losing its nutrients. So this is it. Yes, this is ginger garlic oil, which looks so nice. And it smells good too. That is one thing that gives me, it really smells very, very nice.